Welcome to Cybersecurity Laws and Regulations. This is another video in the series of Crash Course in Cybersecurity. In today's video, we'll explore the crucial role of laws and regulations in the field of cybersecurity and how they help protect individuals, organizations, and society as a whole. In our interconnected digital world, the importance of cybersecurity laws and regulations cannot be overstated. They establish legal frameworks, define obligations and responsibilities, and also set standards for cybersecurity practices. Let's start by understanding the objectives of cybersecurity laws and regulations. Objective number one, protecting personal data. Laws such as the General Data Protection Regulation and California Consumer Privacy Act aim to safeguard individuals' personal data by regulating its collection, storage, and usage. You must have heard of these laws. These are GDPR and CCPA laws. Objective number two is to prevent cybercrime. These laws work against cybercrime, criminalize activities such as hacking, identity theft, fraud, and unauthorized access to computer systems. They provide a legal framework to prosecute cybercriminals and prevent all the potential offenders to it to sort of um, keep certain things in place, right? So there are many laws in place, and so if you do certain things that are not according to those laws, there will be consequences. And objective number three is to promote security measures. Laws and regulations require organizations to implement reasonable security measures to protect sensitive data and infrastructure. They promote best practices. Some of these practices are encryption, access control, and incident response plans. Now, let's discuss some key cybersecurity laws and regulations. Law number one is GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation. It is a comprehensive regulation in the European Union that strengthens data protection rights and imposes strict obligations on organizations that handle personal data of European Union citizens. Second law we have is CCPA, or California Consumer Privacy Act. This law grants California residents specific rights over their personal information and imposes obligations on businesses that collect and process their data. So they cannot just collect any data, process any data. There are certain obligations that they have to abide by. Third law we have is HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It sets privacy and security standards for protecting sensitive health information and ensures its confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These are just a few examples, and it's important to note that cybersecurity laws and regulations may vary across jurisdictions. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the specific laws and regulations applicable to your region. In India, the primary legislation governing cybersecurity is the Information Technology Act of 2000, commonly known as the IT Act. This act provides legal recognition for electronic transactions and defines various cyber offenses such as unauthorized access, hacking, data theft, and cyber terrorism. It outlines penalties for these offenses, which can include imprisonment and fines too. To ensure effective coordination and response to cybersecurity incidents, India has established the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team, also known as CERTN. It operates under the provision of the IT Act and serves as the national agency responsible for handling cybersecurity incidents. CERTN issues guidelines and advisories to various sectors, enhancing cybersecurity preparedness across the country. India is also in the process of enacting the Personal Data Protection Bill of 2019, although not yet enacted as of the time of this video. It aims to regulate the collection, processing and storage of personal data. Once passed, this bill will establish data protection obligations for organizations handling personal data, ensuring privacy and security for individuals. In the realm of financial transactions, compliance with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard or PCI DSS is crucial. This is a global standard that ensures the secure handling of payment card information. Organizations in India that process, store, or transmit cardholder data are required to comply with these standards to safeguard sensitive payment card information. The Reserve Bank of India, the country's central banking institution, issues guidelines to banks, financial institutions, and other regulated entities. These guidelines aim to ensure the security and integrity of electronic banking transactions. They cover various aspects such as cybersecurity frameworks, risk management, incident reporting, etc., enabling the financial sector to combat cyber threats effectively. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, also known as SEBI, is the regulatory authority for the securities market in India. It has issued regulations and guidelines related to cybersecurity and data protection for stock exchanges, depositories, brokers, and other market intermediaries. These measures aim to protect investor interests and maintain the integrity of the market. And that brings us to the end of our overview of cybersecurity laws and regulations in India. It's important to remember that this list is not exhaustive and the field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. Staying up to date with the latest regulations and guidelines is very important for organizations and even for individuals so that they ensure compliance and enhance their cybersecurity measures. I hope you found this video informative and useful. If you have any questions um, or would like me to cover any other cybersecurity topics, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you are new to the channel for more insightful videos. Very soon, I'm going to start another series on cloud computing. Thank you for watching and stay safe in the digital world. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.